Today I am going to discuss the method LU factorization method. LU factorization method is mainly used for solving the simultaneously linear equations. So here we have question 3x plus 4y plus 2z equal to 15, 5x plus 2y plus z equal to 18, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 10. So first we have to know two matrices. L is equal to 1 0 0, L21 1 0, L31 L32 1, and U is equal to U11 U12 U13 0 U22 U23 0 0 U33, and we know that A is equal to LU. That's why LU factorization method. So we can find A, matrix A, that is the coefficient of x, y and z. So 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. And our matrix B is the coefficient in the right hand side, 15, 18 and 10. Okay. So next is you have to calculate LU. L is 1 0 0, L21 1 0, L31 L32 1 into U11 U12 U13 0 U22 U23 0 0 U33. So rows into columns. So what will we get? We'll get U11, U12, U13, L21, U11, L21, U12 plus U22 plus L31, here L21, U13 plus U23. Here L31 U11 and L31 U12 plus L32 U22. Here it will be L13 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U31. After solving this, we will get U11 equal to 3, U12 equal to 4, U13 equal to 2. Then L21 into U11 equal to 5. We know that U11 is 3. So we will get L21 as 5 by 3. Next is L21 U12 plus U22 equal to 2. Here L21 is 5 by 3 into U12 is 4 plus U22 equal to 2. We will get U22 as minus 14 by 3. Next is L31 U11 equal to 2. L31 into U11 is 3, then L31 equal to 2 by 3. Next one is L21 into U13 plus U23 equal to 1. 5 by 2 into 2 plus U23 equal to 1. Then U23 will be minus 7 by 3. Then next we have L31 into U12 plus L32 into U22 equal to 3. That is 2 by 3 into 4 plus L32 into minus 14 by 3 equal to 3. Then L32 will be minus 1 by 14. And our last equation is L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23 plus U33 equal to 2. So after substituting every values, U33 will be 1 by 2. So we will be getting matrix L as 1 0 0, 5 by 3 1 0, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 14 1, and our u value will be, u matrix will be 3 4 2 0 minus 14 by 3 minus 7 by 3 0 0 1 by 2. Then next we will be having Ly equal to B. We have to find Ly equal to B. We have to find the Y matrix. Y matrix will be y1, y2 and y3. Okay. We have L matrix as 1 0 0, 5 by 3 1 0, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 14 1. So after substituting in the equation 1 0 0, 5 by 3 1 0, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 14 1, into y1 y2 y3 equal to matrix 15 18 and 10. So row into column, then we will get y1 equal to 15, 5 by 3 y1 plus y2 equal to 18. So 5 by 3 into 15 plus y2 equal to 18. y2 will be minus 7. 2 by 3 y1 minus 1 by 14 y2 plus y3 equal to 10. Substituting values, y3 will be minus 1 by 2. Then our next equation is ux equal to y. Substitute u and y in the equation. So our u equation will be 3 4 2 0 minus 14 by 3 minus 7 by 3 0 0 1 by 2. Our x matrix is x1 x2 x3. Y matrix is 15 minus 7 and minus 1 by 2. So after solving we will get the last x3 equal to minus 1, and second equation minus 14 by 3 x2 minus 7 by 3 x3 equal to minus 7. Minus 14 by 3 x2 minus 7 by 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 7. So x2 value will be 2. The next equation is 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 equal to 15. Substituting x2 and x3 in the equation, 4 into 2 8 plus minus 2 equal to 15. So x1 will be 3. So our solution will be x1 3, x2 2 and x3 equal to minus 1. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.